Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. If you're new here, this is a place where I take a close, honest look at digital tools, software, and platforms that claim to make online business easier and more profitable. I break everything down for you so that you don't waste your time or money on something that doesn't deliver. Today I'm going to be talking about a platform that has been making a lot of noise in the digital product world, and for good reason. It's called ProductDyno. And after going through what it offers, I can tell you it's not just another tool on the market. It's something that could genuinely replace the complicated mess of apps and systems you might be using right now to sell your digital products. Let me start by saying this. If you've ever tried to build a membership site, launch a digital course, or even just deliver a simple PDF to your customers, you know how quickly things can get complicated. You need a checkout system, a way to protect your content, an email automation tool, file storage, a page builder, and then you cross your fingers hoping that everything works together. More often than not, it feels like you're duct taping a bunch of tools together and hoping the whole system doesn't fall apart. That's exactly the problem ProductDyno was designed to solve. Instead of juggling 10 different tools, you log into one dashboard and manage everything from there. ProductDyno is built as a content delivery platform. What that means is it's not just about creating a digital product. It's about managing the full process of getting that product into your customers' hands securely, seamlessly, and in a professional way. You can build memberships, courses, downloadable files, private podcasts, and more. And you can do all of this without needing to hire a developer or know how to code. The platform gives you templates to start with. So creating something polished and ready to sell is as simple as choosing a design, uploading your content, and customizing it to match your brand. What really stands out to me is how flexible the platform is. You aren't limited to just uploading files. You can embed videos, add audio, share documents, or even bring in content hosted elsewhere. For example, maybe you already have training videos uploaded to Vimeo or Wistia. You don't have to move them. ProductDyno lets you integrate them directly into your course or membership. And if you like to get creative with your designs, the platform supports custom CSS and widgets. So whether you want something simple or something more advanced, you're covered. Another feature that I think a lot of entrepreneurs are going to love is the ability to bundle products together into collections. Let's say you've got 3 different courses on related topics. Instead of selling them separately, you can package them into a collection and let your customers buy the bundle. Even better, ProductDyno shows customers which products they already own and which ones they don't. That means they'll naturally be tempted to complete the set, and that's an easy way to increase your sales without adding extra work on your end. Now, let's talk about integrations, because this is usually where platforms either shine or fall short. ProductDyno doesn't disappoint here. It has over 50 direct integrations, which means you can connect it with popular payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, your favorite autoresponders like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp webinar tools, and even file hosting services. And if by chance your tool isn't on the list, no problem. You can still connect it using Zapier, Pabbly, or webhooks. That gives you essentially unlimited flexibility because you can connect with thousands of apps out there. For anyone running multiple businesses or brands, the fact that you can connect multiple accounts from the same tool and assign them to different products is a huge win. Here's another major selling point that caught my attention. ProductDyno is available as a one-time payment. Most of the big-name platforms out there are subscription-based. You pay every single month, and over time it really adds up. In some cases, you could be paying $1,000 or $2,000 a year just to keep your membership site running. ProductDyno is offering lifetime access with no monthly fees. That alone makes it stand out because it means you're not constantly watching your profits get eaten up by expenses. Once you made the one-time investment, it's yours to use. And as if that wasn't enough, they're also including some really solid bonuses. The first one is a program called Membership Mavericks, which teaches you how to build a successful membership site with proven retention strategies. The second is Rapid Digital Products, a training that shows you how to create profitable digital products in as little as 30 minutes. Perfect for anyone who tends to overthink or procrastinate. And the third is Digital Publishing Mastery, which gives you advanced tactics to scale your digital business to 6 figures and beyond. Together, these bonuses are worth around $1,500, but you get them free when you pick up ProductDyno. And honestly, they aren't fluff. They directly complement what you'll be doing with the platform. Now, let's go a little deeper into what's included in the starter plan. You get licensing tools if you want to sell software, the option to use your own custom domains, full white labeling so your business name is front and center, free SSL certificates for security, the ability to upload unlimited files up to 25 megabytes each, and the option to connect your own file storage if you prefer. You also get all current and future integrations, checkout themes, page builder themes, and content blocks to make your pages look great without needing a designer. On top of that, there are no transaction fees, which is important because some platforms actually take a percentage of your sales. ProductDyno doesn't do that, and you also get advanced reporting and analytics to track how your products are performing. What really adds confidence for me is the story behind ProductDyno. It wasn't created overnight. The founders, led by Fraz, started developing it in 2016 and launched it publicly in 2017. Since then, they've been constantly improving it, adding new features and expanding integrations. That's why today it's trusted by thousands of educators, coaches, authors, software developers, and marketers worldwide. It's a mature platform with a proven track record. That matters because when you're building your business on top of a platform, you don't want to worry about it disappearing in a year. And what do real users have to say? From the reviews and feedback, the response is overwhelmingly positive. People mention that it's intuitive, easy to set up, and takes away the stress of delivering digital content. Some users say it's the best business decision they've made because it allowed them to protect their content without complicated setups. Others love how the customer experience is smooth, with clean, professional delivery pages and secure access. Of course, a few mention they'd like to see more templates or landing page features built in, but those are already on the roadmap. On the whole, it's praised for being reliable, feature-rich, and backed by responsive customer support. Who is ProductDyno really for? I'd say it's for anyone who has or plans to have a digital product business. Course creators, membership site owners, coaches, authors, software developers, marketers, basically anyone who delivers digital content. Even if you're just starting out, it's simple enough that you won't feel overwhelmed. And if you're more advanced, the deeper features like white labeling, custom domains, and extensive integrations will give you the flexibility you need. When I look at the big picture, the value here is hard to ignore. You get rid of recurring fees, you simplify your workflow, and you have a system that's built to grow with you. The bonuses give you the knowledge and strategies to maximize what you're building. And the platform itself gives you the tools to protect, deliver, and scale your digital products in one place. To me, that combination makes it an incredibly smart investment. So what's my verdict as a review scout? If you're serious about creating or selling digital products, ProductDyno is an easy yes. It's secure, it's flexible, it's proven, and the lifetime access offer makes it a deal you're unlikely to see again. Whether you're delivering a single course or building a full-scale membership business, this platform gives you the foundation you need. That's my full review of ProductDyno. I hope this gave you a clear, in-depth look at what it offers and why it might be the right choice for you. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to see if the lifetime deal is still available. And as always, if you found this review helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the Review Scout for more honest reviews, and leave a comment letting me know what kind of digital products you'd love to launch with ProductDyno. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.